If you're still spending hours sorting print files and manually nesting parts, it's time for an upgrade. Meet Automatic Print Preparation, Carbon's newest automation tool that streamlines print preparation so that you can focus on what really matters. Let me show you how it works. Automatic Print Preparation continuously monitors a folder on your network. Whenever new files are added, Automatic Print Preparation will automatically pull them in and pull them through your pre-configured pipeline. No more manual uploads. Once your parts are uploaded into the system and grouped, next you tell us what pre-print operations to apply to those parts, such as part labeling or adding supports. Next, Automatic Print Preparation intelligently nests your parts for maximum efficiency. You can even customize whether or not you want to keep cases together within a single build or split cases across builds for maximum packing density. Once your build is ready, Automatic Print Prep will automatically queue it to a printer or printers of your choice based on first availability. This unlocks extreme efficiency across your printer fleet. You can set jobs to automatically queue or manually queue. It's up to you and completely flexible. Need to push a rush case through? No problem. Just prioritize it and Automatic Print Preparation will handle the rest. Now let's talk about the numbers. On average, manual nesting for models and dies costs about $25 to $50 per day per printer and manual labor. However, Automatic Print Preparation, on average, costs just $9 to $12 per day per printer. That means for every printer that you run on Automatic Print Preparation, you're saving thousands of dollars per year. And the savings don't stop there. As we continue to add more applications to Automatic Print Preparation, you're going to continue to maximize efficiency while minimizing your cost. So if you're still manually nesting and sorting print jobs, it's time to make a change. Automatic Print Preparation is fast, efficient, and completely automated. Want to see how much time and money you could be saving? Reach out to your Carbon sales director today for a customized ROI analysis.